Hello and welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are going to see the Max Olympiad problem. The question is given: if x square plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0, then find the value of x power 4 by 4 by x by 8 by x minus 3. So here, before starting the problem, so pause the video and try to do the problem on your own. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. So before we start the problem here, this is having some logic. So we are going to see this problem in two ways. Two models we are going to see. So we can solve this in a different models. So first of all, what is given? Given x square plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So here you can write it as x square is equal to minus 2x minus 4. Sending the terms to that side, minus 2x minus 4. So here x square is equal to minus 2 of x plus 2. Taking minus 2 common. So x square by 2. X square by 2 is equal to minus of x plus 2. Now doing squaring on both sides, x power 4 by 4. Squaring on both sides, x power 4 by 4 is equal to x square plus 2x plus 4. X square plus 2x plus 4. So x square plus 4x. So here from this given x square plus 4 is equal to minus 2x. X square plus 4 is equal to minus 2x. So in the place of this, we can keep minus 2x. X power 4 by 4 is equal to 4x minus 2x. X power 4 by 4 is equal to minus 2x. So that is the value you are having. So what is required now? X power 4 is equal to plus 2x. So the required is x power 4 by 4 plus 8 by x minus 3 value you have to find now. So x by 4 is 2x. X power 4 by 4 is 2x plus 8 by x minus 3 you have to find the value. So here you are taking 2 common, x plus 4 by x minus 3. So here from the given question you can write dividing by x square, dividing by x plus 2 plus 4 by x is equal to 0, dividing by x. So x plus 4 by x is equal to minus 2. X plus 4 by x is equal to minus 2. That value you are substituting here. 2 into minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 3, that is equal to minus 7. So this is one model. So therefore x to the power of 4 by 4 plus 8 by x minus 3 is equal to minus 7. So the same problem you can do in another model. Okay, it is somewhat big model. So here first of all model 2. So x square plus 2x is equal to minus 4. X into x plus 2 is equal to minus 4. X plus 2 is equal to minus 4 by x. Minus 2 we are multiplying on both sides is equal to 8 by x. Let it be 1. Now if you take the second one, you can write this as x square, first equation only, minus 2 into x plus 2, x square by 2 is equal to minus of x plus 2. So squaring on both sides, x to the power of 4 by 4 is equal to x plus 2 whole square. Now what is required here? X power 4 by 4 plus 8 by x minus 3 is required. Now if you substitute the values here, x plus 2 whole square minus 2 into x plus 3 minus 3 are getting. Now it is a quadratic. So if you find the factors here, x plus 2 whole square minus 3 into x plus 2 plus x plus 2, writing as factors minus 3. If we take x plus 2 common, x plus 2 into x plus 2 minus 3 plus 1 common, x plus 2 minus 3. So here x plus 2 minus 3 is common. Here x plus 2 plus 1. So here x minus 1 into x plus 3. If you multiply these two values, x square plus 2x minus 3. So this can be written as x square plus 2x plus 4 minus 7. So already you know this value is 0. 0 minus 7, you will get minus 7. I hope you understood the problem. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.